Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Rivian R1T Adventure quad motor. So this vehicle has 835 horsepower and over 900 pound-feet of torque, and it has up to 321 miles of range. Pretty cool car. I've always loved the Rivian R1T. I think it's one of the coolest electric vehicles on sale because it's a pickup truck with a lot of utility, and I love the way they look. Their design is definitely polarizing for some people, but I really like the way it looks. I think the interior is really cool. Seats look really nice. You also have like this Rivian badge in the seats, which is cool. Speakers over there. Interesting suede material on the roof. You have a few modes. One sport mode. You can lower the ride height. You can go off-roading with these. It has an air suspension, of course. You have maps right there. I do wish it had like door controls, which it doesn't have. You have to like do everything through the screen, which is kind of frustrating sometimes, but you know, a lot of electric vehicles have a lot of stuff through the screen, which frustrates me, but you know, you have to just get used to it over time. I like the wood trim over there. And you also have a speaker down here, which is cool. You can take this speaker out, you know, if you're tailgating or something, or you know, camping, you can take that speaker out, which is nice. And the key is interesting. It's like a lock. It's got like it's like a, you know, a lock, which is cool. Cool key. Well, let's go for a quick walk around on this car. So this one's a silver. You have yellow brake calipers, full LED light bar in the front, yellow Rivian badge over there. Use your rear seats, looks pretty cool. Here's your truck bed. But yeah. And this has like, the Rivians have very aggressive regen braking. It's basically like one pedal driving. Definitely takes a little bit of getting used to. I'm not the biggest fan of one pedal driving, to be honest, but you know, yeah, I feel like, yeah, if you drive it for a while, I guess you'll just get used to it over time. Yeah, this is a very fast truck right here. So yeah, right there, I'm not really even hitting the brakes. I'm just taking my foot off the gas and it brakes for you. I drove a Polestar 3 recently, video up on my channel on that as well, which has very similar one pedal driving. I can't figure out how to turn it off in the Rivian, but in like some other cars you can turn it off. I like the build quality of these. I mean, obviously there are, you know, there has been like, you know, like in terms of trim, like water getting in, things like that if you go off-roading, but overall, just basically like the steering wheel feels nice. The seats feel really comfortable compared to other electric vehicles. Pretty cool. Pretty smooth ride in sport mode. The suspension is a little bit rougher, and also however, and also like it lowers the suspension too. Yeah, this thing has breakneck speed. Seems to be a rattle coming from the roof, which is interesting. Overall, I like the ride height. Yeah, I have no idea what that rattle is. Feels like it's coming from the roof. But I would definitely like to see how one of these drives off-road. That would be really cool. Extremely fast. That is crazy. Wow. I wish the screen was a little bit easier to navigate. Like it's a little overwhelming with all the controls being in the screen, to be honest. Like to change your modes, move your, I can't even figure out how to move my mirrors, which is quite interesting. Overall, pretty interesting truck right here. I would definitely, if I wanted to get an electric car, I would definitely consider this. It's great for utility. You can use it for everything. Use it for daily driving. Use it for road trips. It's super fast. It looks cool. You know, you can go off-roading in it. So yeah, if I got an electric car, this would definitely be up my alley if I wanted to get an electric car. Took that bump pretty well, even in the sport mode. But anyways, that is about it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leave a like and leave any comments about this car, and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Thanks.